Here I have a 2024 CRV. It's a hybrid and it's already requiring to do a diff flush in the back. It's only got 11,000 miles. And I'm guessing it's the same theory with like oil changes. When you do your first one, you want to do it at 1,000 miles. But with the diff, I guess the first one they want you to do at 10,000 miles, around there. And then after that, I'm not sure. These are the tools I use, which is a 3/8 ratchet for the drain plug and the fill plug, and then a fluid extractor. But I just use that to put in the new fluid. So the diff is in the back. There's the fill plug. It's just a 3/8 head, and then that's the drain on the other side. It's super simple, super easy. And as you can see right there, it says DPSF. That's the fluid you want to use. I got one from auto parts store, and it's this one. And if you read in the back, it says it's made for Honda DPF2 fluid. So it's the same thing. As far as how much it takes, I couldn't find any information on it. On the older models, it was between 1.3 and 1.6. So I just got 2 quarts, and the instructions are you're supposed to fill it until it comes down to a dribble. So that's how it looks. It looks all clean. But it did have some metal shavings on the drain plug. So, and as far as torque specs, again, the information I cannot get any. This is how it looks like brand new. So you want to compare it to the old one, just in case you think you got the wrong oil. I wouldn't suggest putting gear oil 7590, because it looks a little different. This looks kind of reddish pinkish, as you can see, and gear oil is more orange yellowish. So once it started to dribble like this, that's when I put in the fill plug. To reset it in the maintenance section, you gotta go to vehicle settings, and then you go to the side, you go to maintenance info, and then you see it has all-wheel drive. So you go down and select reset items, and then you go down to number 6, and that's it. Now if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And I just want to apologize for the lack of information. I just can't get any. I'm recording this in 2024, and it's just too new a car, and I don't work at a dealership. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Hopefully this helps you out.